Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Naz English Pods. If you truly want to speak English confidently in your daily life, then this lesson is exactly for you. Today, we are going to practice daily English conversation sentences that you can use in real life.
Here's what you need to do.
Listen to each sentence carefully.
Pause the video.
And repeat after me clearly and confidently. Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the better you become. So relax, focus, and let's start improving your English right now.
I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I turn off my alarm quickly. I turn off my alarm quickly. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I make my bed. I make my bed. I drink water in the morning. I drink water in the morning. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read my messages. I read my messages. I leave the house on time. I leave the house on time. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. It looks cloudy outside. It looks cloudy outside. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I am feeling good today. I am feeling good today. I am a little tired. I am a little tired. What time is it now? What time is it now? I am running late. I am running late. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. I am sorry about that. I am sorry about that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I have a question. I have a question. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? That is too expensive. That is too expensive. Can you give me a discount? Can you give me a discount? I would like to buy this. I would like to buy this. Do you accept cards? Do you accept cards? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Do you have another size? Do you have another size? I am just looking. I am just looking. Let's order some food. Let's order some food. I am very hungry. I am very hungry. What's for lunch? What's for lunch? This tastes delicious. This tastes delicious. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? I am full now. I am full now. That was amazing. That was amazing. I need to rest. I need to rest. I am taking a short break. I am taking a short break. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? I am staying at home. I am staying at home. Call me later. Call me later. I will text you. I will text you. See you soon. See you soon. How was your day? How was your day? It was a busy day. It was a busy day. Nothing special happened. Nothing special happened. I had a great day. I had a great day. I need more sleep. I need more sleep. The movie was interesting. The movie was interesting. I like this song. I like this song. Turn the volume down. Turn the volume down. I live in a small apartment. I live in a small apartment. I love my neighborhood. I love my neighborhood. The traffic is terrible today. The traffic is terrible today. I hate waiting in line. I hate waiting in line. This is taking too long. This is taking too long. I am almost done. I am almost done. Just one more minute. Just one more minute. We are going to be late. We are going to be late. Calm down. Calm down. Everything is under control. Everything is under control. Are you okay? Are you okay? I am feeling better now. I am feeling better now. I am not sure about that. I am not sure about that. Maybe you are right. Maybe you are right. I agree with you. I agree with you. That makes sense. That makes sense. I understand now. I understand now. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Speak more slowly, please. Speak more slowly, please. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. Please explain it again. Please explain it again. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. I am planning to travel soon. I am planning to travel soon. I am saving money. I am saving money. I am working hard these days. I am working hard these days. I am learning something new. I am learning something new. I am trying my best. I am trying my best. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will never give up. I will never give up. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more confident. Consistency is important. Consistency is important. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am ready for new challenges. I am ready for new challenges. I am focused on my goals. I am focused on my goals. Success takes time. Success takes time. Hard work always pays off. Hard work always pays off. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. Every day is a new opportunity. Every day is a new opportunity. I am grateful for today. I am grateful for today. I choose to stay positive. I choose to stay positive. My future is bright. My future is bright. I will keep improving. I will keep improving. I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I practice speaking every day. I practice speaking every day. I am making progress. I am making progress. I am proud of my improvement. I am proud of my improvement. I am ready to succeed. I am ready to succeed.
Excellent work today. If you practiced all the sentences with me, you are already improving. Remember, fluency doesn't come in one day. It comes with daily practice. Go back and practice these sentences again tomorrow. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound. If this lesson helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Naz English Pods, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Write in the comments how you felt after practicing. I read every single comment. Keep practicing, keep improving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking English with confidence.